How to use the sewing machine safely. The sewing machines are kept in the cupboards along the side of the room. Carefully lift out the sewing machine and place it on the worktop. Lift off the cover. The foot pedal is kept in the drawer. Carefully lift it out. Connect the foot pedal to the sewing machine at the side and plug in. Switch on the electricity. The foot pedal goes on the floor. Here's the presser foot, which secures the fabric in position when you are sewing so it doesn't move around. You'll find a lever at the back of the machine which will lift up or lower the presser foot. This means you can remove the fabric or hold it in position. Turn the wheel at the side of the machine towards you and this will lift up or lower the machine needle. You can select decorative stitches by turning the stitch selector to the number of the stitch you require. You can adjust the length of the stitch by turning this dial. The thread is placed on the top of the machine and the machine needs to be threaded carefully, so don't remove the thread unless you need to change colour. Now we are ready to start sewing. To control the machine, place your foot on the foot pedal and press down gently. Make sure your hands are placed at each side of the needle to guide the fabric. Remember to keep hands away from the sewing machine needle.